my chocolate babies, welcome back to another YouTube video with the girl dipped in chocolate. So today I'm feeling kind of cute, so I decided that I want to do a video rating the girls in my school hairstyle from 1 to 10. So basically I'll be doing video them I do from 1 to 10. I soon start drop some pranks, but I don't want to interrupt school. But yeah, let's go. Sugar, give me a 360, turn around. Your girl needs and everything. Mary, are here.
No, me that's the man.
It's you, not Jesus. Girl, you're nice. So guys, a lot of students in the school here look. Why does it not? A lot of students in the school here look some type of way, but I don't want to video them here and them see it on my channel and feel a way. So I'm not gonna really. So I'm not gonna really like video students who I have in a deplorable condition. So yeah. Are the jam people? The girl here nice at the jam. Watch girl, watch coolie. Watch Indian in food. Come here, one 360. Watch edges. Alright. You too. Turn. Yes, auntie. Alright. So guys, unfortunately my class did done 4 o'clock. So when me come out, I'm not seeing no picnic. Literally, because I'm in a 6th form. So me in a 6th form, so me the sweet thing say, me not see picnic when I come out. I'm not see nobody. I'm going to my classmate them share it, no one come on camera. So anyways guys, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Turn on the post notification bell to be notified when a girl that's in chocolate upload another video. Don't forget to go in my description to follow my business page and also buy a product and also share my product, also share my contents and all of that. So you know so I'll be a banger job over here, so right there, so she. And if you guys have any suggestions and on things to be posted or things you want to see, don't forget or don't be afraid to drop it in the comment section down below. Just know some love on them right there.